Hey guys, welcome back. Just thought I'd extend you guys a little bit with your InDesign work and teach you a little bit about animation and some of the cool things you can do to create e-magazines or to take this program to the next level. But first, we need to know why. As you can see on the screen, I've kind of made a document here. Don't freak out so much about the quality. Remember, InDesign always puts things in low quality just so it goes quickly. And if you look in reality, it's actually high quality. So I've got a document I've made up here that I'll be showing you the basics of. But first, we kind of need to know why. And the reason why, even though some of you guys haven't been able to access this document with an e-reader on your phone, or some haven't tried, you can export things from InDesign into HTML. So you can use them on websites, and from there you can send them to people's phones and people's iPads, and it makes it a lot harder for people to steal your information. So I'll steal your images or your design. So if you've got an image here that you've created, that have to do a screen capture, and then it's only in low resolution anyway. So it's a nice way of keeping your stuff safe. So it's not great, and I've only been using this for about a day or so, but you can see I've got a document here with an animated ball behind a transparent background, and I've got a button here where if you click on this guy, he flies across the screen, and that activates not only him moving, but also this menu here and this animated GIF that I created of a guy slam dunking a basketball. So there's lots of cool things you can do, where you can have one button which activates multiple menus. Say for instance I hit this button, it means it tells him to move, and then the second he finishes moving, it tells this animation to start up here and this animation to start down there, which is cool. You can layer things up. So I've got the background here, but I've got him flying over the top, which is kind of cool. I've even got little buttons so you can navigate to different pages as well. So if I hit next, hopefully one of these days it will click and go to the next page. That's not working. I'm guessing the reason why it's not working is because I haven't selected that page yet. So I'll go through this quickly. So you can make some really nice sleek designs as well. So this is my second page, which when I export it works in a ebook reader. But you can have some really nice menus and things sliding across. We'll be hopefully getting to the point where you can have pictures that are literally movies that are playing, kind of like that Harry Potter effect, where you've got pictures in the background that are actually animated when you roll your cursor over them or when you click on them, which adds a really cool effect if you're thinking about making something for a business. Rather than a boring PDF with standalone images, you can start to integrate videos and audios and animation and all sorts of cool things, as well as hyperlinks, which you guys hopefully already know how to use if you watched my other video. Anyway, that's our first introduction video. From here, I'm going to sit down and create a basic animating video, and I'll upload that one next. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys are going well. We'll catch up in the near future. If there's anything that's going wrong, don't be afraid to shoot me a line. If there's anything that doesn't quite work, let me know. I had an email from a student last week, and it was a good learning experience for me because I learned a lot about transparent GIFs and color usage. So that's really cool. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll talk to you guys very, very, very soon. Take care. Bye.